Hi there, Garnet Genis here, Member of Parliament. I'm at Queen's Park, which for those in Alberta who don't know Queen's Park, it's the Ontario Legislature. And unfortunately, I'm not in Ottawa today, so I won't actually be present for the vote on Motion 103. But obviously, my position is pretty well known on that. I'm opposed to it, and likely the vote's going to pass anyways. But moving on to what we're here for today, this is an event that we're doing to talk about the terrible human rights situation right now in Iran. We have a lot of problems in terms of human rights in Iran. I'm going to be speaking about that, and we've got members of provincial parliament from Ontario here, as well as people from the Iranian community in the Toronto area that are here to talk about it and have that discussion. So I'm here right now with Saya Hassan, who's the organizer of the event and a human rights activist who does a lot of work with Iran. Saya, why don't you just tell those following along and watching this video kind of what are the key points they need to know about what's happening in Iran right now?
Hi everyone. I'm a human rights and pro-democracy activist, and I think a lot of us are very much familiar with the systematic human rights violations in Iran. But one of the questions many people ask is, we're in Canada and why should we care about what's going on in Iran? And I think with the rise of extremism and terrorism that's going on worldwide, a lot of us need to start being concerned with governments that are promoting extremist ideologies both in their own countries and worldwide. And unfortunately, the Islamic regime in Iran is one of those countries, and they do support terrorism worldwide. That's one of the things that they do. So I think we all as Canadians need to be concerned about this issue. It's not just an Iranian issue, and something that we all need to get involved in.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. So it's a question of the human rights and human dignity of the people affected, but also the impact on security when you have the spread of radical ideas. What people may not know is that a lot of the radical violent extremism we see, it is supported and funded by particular governments, by particular interests, and what is perversely called education in many cases, the promotion of extremism, wouldn't really be possible without the support of these state actors. So there's a security issue as well as a human rights issue that requires us to be aware of and confronting these challenges.
And I think one of the things that we should remember is the fact that the regime in Iran is also detaining and arresting Iranian Canadians. A lot of us are familiar with the case of a professor, Homa Husbar, who was arrested and detained for over 3 months. And currently there's another Iranian Canadian, Saeed Malikpour, who's been in jail for 9 years, and there's no end to sight of when he will be released. So that's another way that the Islamic regime and the situation in Iran is affecting Canadians.
Yeah. We were supposed to start this event at noon Eastern time, but we're a little bit delayed just because of a vote taking place for the MPPs here. But if you're in Toronto, downtown Toronto, and you can get to Queen's Park in the next few minutes, come on down and hear what we have to say.